This is how you install a magnetic fastener air filter around your outdoor condensing unit. 610. Anyway, I'm introducing a new air filter for the outdoor air conditioning unit, and it uses magnets and air filter fabric. And all you do is you install it by snapping it to the unit. This happens to be a 38 by 110 Prevent filter, and it's a little bit too tall for this unit, so you can cut the bottom. Anyway, I have magnets that hold the fabric to the outside of the unit. And you can adjust the tension on the fabric by just moving the magnet. Okay, so I'm Sandy Reifler, and I'm introducing a new magnetic clip for the outdoor air conditioning unit, and this is how it works. You take the filter and the magnet, you place the magnet where you want it to be, and you take the fabric and you push it over it, and then you take this clip and can you see that? See the clip? Okay, and then you just like that, and now it's stuck to the unit. How's that? And to take it, and here's another one. Can you see that? And so you can install this filter in a matter of a minute or two. Okay, to wash the coil, you just unsnap the magnets, and you can service the unit. Now, after you're finished servicing, you can install the air filter that and that's it. All right. So if you measure from here to the base, we can send you this fabric and some magnetic clips. All right. So this is a 10-ton ream unit. This is a 10-ton ream air conditioning unit, and it has air inlet on both sides of the unit that are 55 inches by 38 inches, and you could take a 38 by 110 Prevent filter, cut it in half, and use it on this side and the other half on this side. It's a ream 10-ton. I can read that. Ream 10-ton split. I'm here at Century AC Supply. Maybe Here's all the air conditioning units they have here. And today I'm putting on a Prevents scheme on this 1010 unit. I'm using magnets. You take the magnet and you press the fabric inside this clip, and this neodymium magnet is held to the side of the unit, so you can adjust it like that. Here's the other one. Let's go down a little bit. There you go. Here in the corner. Let's go down. Sticks. That.